What's going on, guys? I think today is 103. So let's get into what we were seeing, what was happening. So today we were bullish, coming into market open on the 4-hour here. Broke structure on the 1-hour as well. ES was also bullish coming into market open on the 1-hour. 4-hour didn't quite break structure, and we had this SMT at this high. Nasdaq swept this high. And Nasdaq was also in this daily gap. That came into this daily gap. So I think what we saw today was a classic BPR scenario. I don't really be using BPRs, but this happens pretty often. As you can see, like pump up here, dump, looks the exact same, but not something I would want to trade or like to trade. We ended up dumping about 1,000 points just in market open. So all was bullish until 10 o'clock when this candle closed. Took out all my draws, Asia, London, and ES swept down here at that low. As you can see, came down, swept this low, closed below, became bearish on the 4-hour and 1-hour. So I was waiting for a retracement, but figured price already took out my draws. Probably just time just to get off. And I'm simply not going to wait for longs either. I mean, they could definitely present, but yeah, I'm not down to trade against this here. So decided to get off, didn't trade. Was honestly just so done after I saw it was dumping about 300 points, and I was just like, all right, not even trying to look at this. But yeah, there's not much to say here. I mean, it literally dumped. But about 960, 970 points. ES up this low, made SMT. Price looks like it's trying to retrace or come back up or something. But you know what? I'm gonna save whatever I have left of this account for the next day. Because this is simply just not worth trading. There could be a setup, there could not be, but this is a no-no. This is a no-no. So, yeah, literally came up, swept, came down, just dumped. Just dumped. Oh no. I don't even know how that happened. But yeah, so I don't know what I'm supposed to make for this video. Just 1,000 points, bro. Drake candle, like, come on now. I really did want to trade today. I'll say that. I wanted to take a trade after I saw it dump 1,000 points. It's definitely a bit of FOMO after you see a big move happen and you're like, oh, now I want some of it, but it's already gone. And I think in those scenarios, you need to realize that there's another day. You just got to remind yourself that there's no reason to try to chase a move or, feel that FOMO for it, because there's always another day. Especially when price isn't presenting anything that could be of use. Recently, I've just been thinking over and over in my head, especially during trading, is we are emotional beings. All these people want you to be, not want you to be, but tell you to be like a robot, robotic, and it's just not possible for humans. Like, we're not robots. We're emotional beings and creatures, and sometimes you're in your head and you look at something and you're like, I really want to take this, and your emotions take over and then your brain starts rationalizing that decision to take that trade, to close the position, to move stops, whatever. And so basically your brain is just telling you, or your emotions are telling your brain to rationalize a decision or an execution on the chart in your life, whatever, because we are inherently emotional beings. So that's something I've taken away from some videos I've watched and some things that I've been incorporating just in my trading, and seems to be working. And once you're aware of that you're an emotional being, that you see that you stop taking such emotional action. Because honestly, if it were me 2-3 months ago, I probably would have tried to take this long here, because I felt that I was missing out, or that there was something here. Now this long could very well play out, but is it high probability? Is it really that good of a trade after you're seeing something like this? So you got to just know when to stop trading. I have a certain time that I like to get off, 10:45, 11 o'clock, and sometimes there's honestly no point of even waiting till then, because you know that price is looking like this, or a price that is just not going to play out so smoothly today. That price is going to be unpredictable, unprobable today. So this is definitely one of those days where you could just see right off the jump, 10 o'clock, 1,000 points. It's probably a good sign to get off, probably a good sign not to trade. And it is very hard to make that decision to just get off, because I know how it is, especially for me, is like, I want to trade. I love doing this. And that is the hardest thing about trading, is because it's really about the less amount of work that you put in, you're gonna get a better result, better performance. Um, but yeah, that's all I really got. Just remember, you guys are emotional creatures, emotional beings, and don't try to rationalize the emotions that you're feeling to make a decision based off emotion. So your left-sided brain is going to make those is going to try to rationalize the decision that you're contemplating, and through your emotion it's going to drive you towards the wrong decision and a poor performance within the market. And I've noticed lately that, like I said, when I've been noticing that, feeling some way, I tell myself that, it's like it switches over, my brain switches over, and it's like, wait, is this aligned with my rules? Is this aligned with my strategy? Is this and this and this? Do I need this? Do I need that? And just a takeaway that maybe you guys could use, or could help you within your trading. So, anyways, I'll leave out with that. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace.